Prime Minister Narendra Modi has said that the interest of the poor has been at the center of every budget of his government. After 3 days logjam on the Adani Group issue, the Lok Sabha today took up discussion on the motion of thanks for President Draupadi Murmu's address to the joint sitting of both houses of parliament. More than 4,900 people have been killed and tens of thousands injured after a powerful 7.8 magnitude earthquake struck Turkey and Syria yesterday. Former Directorate of Health Services, Dr. Amanwar and ex-MLA Paul Lingdot, UDP candidates from North Shillong and West Shillong, filed their nomination today. In a major relief to micro, small and medium enterprises, the centre has issued an order to the ministries to refund performance security, bid security and liquidate damages forfeit deducted during the COVID-19 pandemic.